Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn about how to compile a C file and a C++ file using GCC compiler using command prompt, which is also called CMD. So here we have two files. A file named is main.c, which is a C file, and a file named is main.cpp, which is a CPP file. The codes written in those files says in this C file, the C file, what does it do is what it does is that it prints I am a it prints it is a C program, and the C++ file prints it is a C++ program. So let's learn how we can compile it using this compiler using CMD. So if you haven't watched my previous video of GCC compiler, go and first watch it so that you can understand it better. So first open CMD, search for CMD and open it. I've opened it. See, the location is on CMD is my usual location, and those files are on my desktop. So I will change the directory of directory here. So to change directory, there is a command named cd space the directory where you want to switch. So in my case, it's desktop. So desktop, press enter, and we are now on desktop. As you can see, we are now on desktop. So there is a command called dir, which shows you the list of files present in the directory where you are present. So when we press enter, we will see that there are two files, main.c and main.cpp files, which we can see already present on the desktop. Now first we will learn on how to compile a C file. So compiling C file is simple. So what you just have to do is just type gcc space the name of file that you want to compile. In my case, it's main.c. Press enter. See, the compilation has done, and as you can see, it has filed a.x actually it is. So now sometimes we don't want this file name to be a. So to compile this file and getting this file with a different name, you have to add something to this above command. I'm just using I've copied the command. Now what I'm going to do is I will space dash o space the desired file name. See, in my case it's C file, and press enter. See, compilation has done, and we got a file named C file. Now let's run those files. To run this file, since we are already in desktop, we just have to type their names. So first of all, run this afa.x file. So here type a and press enter. See, it shows this is a C project. That's the work of this C file. Now let's run this C file. Let's run this file, which is named as C file. So let's type C file, press enter. See, it again shows the same results as those two files are same, nothing but having different names. So this is how you compile C files from this compiler using CMD. Now let's clear the screen. Sorry, it's a Linux command. In Windows, it's CLS. So CLS clears the screen. Now I'm going to delete those files. Now compilation, we now understand how to compile C file. So we now learn how to compile C++ file. So to do this, since we are already in our desired location, so I'm just going to write the code type for C++ file. C++ file compilation code is quite tricky, so just listen to me carefully. You have to type G plus plus space dash capital W. Remember, always use capital W. Otherwise, it will give you an error. W dash capital W all dash std equals C plus plus 14 and the file that you want to convert. In my case it's main.cpp, so just type main.cpp and press enter. See, the compilation process has successfully done, and we got a file named a.x. Actually it is. So now again we will learn how to get a file with a desired name instead of a. So to do this, we will add the same command that we have added during compiling C file. So I'm just copying the above command. Press space, press dash o, and press the desired file name. In my case, I'm going to name it as C++ file and press enter. See, the compilation has successfully done and we got a file named C++ file. So this is how we compile C and C++ file. Now let's run those files. So first run the file named A. Press enter, and it will give you a result. Hello, this is a C++ project. Now run this C++ file. Type C++ file and press enter. So it again shows the same results, as these two files are nothing but having different names. This is how we compile C and C++ file in CMD using GCC compiler. That's all for today. Have a good day.